everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today we're going to be making a specialty dessert that combines two of my favorite things, Dutch apple crunch pie and pizza. Yes, we're going to be making a Dutch apple crunch pizza. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's take a minute to talk Dutch apple crunch pizza. Now, what is Dutch apple crunch pizza? Well, essentially it takes two of my favorite things, pizza and Dutch apple pie, and combines it together to make it a thing. Now, what I like most about this dish is that it's easy to make, it's super flavorful, and it has a bit of wow factor when you serve somebody a slice of dessert pizza. Okay, so for this episode, I'm going to refer you back to two of my tutorials. The first one being handmade pizza dough that I did last week, and the second being an easy streusel topping that I did when I made fake apple crisp. So go back and watch those. They're really quick and they're very informative. So after that, you'll be able to make your own handmade pizza dough, and you'll be able to make your own streusel topping, which is 2 out of the 3 ingredients that you need for this dish. Okay, so for the third and final ingredient, we're going to make our apple pie filling. Now, our apple pie filling is actually just going to consist of diced apples cooked in a caramel sauce. Now, I know that sounds intimidating and may sound a little complicated, but it's actually very straightforward and very easy. And once you learn this recipe, you'll be able to apply it to a lot of other applications, so it's worth checking out. And as always, if you enjoyed this week's video, please feel free to give it a like and also share it, because it really does help this channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And also, if you're a real fan of the show, feel free to subscribe so you get notifications each time a new show comes out, which is usually about 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, if you guys have already checked out my handmade pizza dough tutorial and my easy streusel topping tutorial, then you're ready to make this dish. So let's go make some Dutch crunch pizza. And that's my take on a Dutch apple crunch pizza. See, super straightforward, super easy, nothing too complicated, and definitely delicious. Also, as a side note, you can use the apple filling for other things. You can obviously make apple pie with it, but you can also put it over ice cream and almost make like a little bananas Foster, but with apples. Super delicious. Alright, well that's all I have time for this week. Stop by next week where I'm going to be making my take on an Elvis Presley shot. Yeah, this one's going to taste like an actual peanut butter and banana sandwich. Stay tuned.